Hi again, welcome back. Today we're going to discuss if conditions. In the if conditions, there are certain things that we need to learn, but before that, let's review what we have learned so far. So, we learned how to declare an integer number. Here we're declaring an integer called number, and then we print a cout syntax saying that we use cout syntax to print enter an integer. Then we learned how to store this entered integer by the user using cin syntax or cin function. So far, we learned how to do this. But now we're going to discuss the if conditions. So if conditions are like this. So imagine the user enters one number. And here we're saying that if the number is greater than 0, then print the number is positive. Else if, where we are having another condition. Else if, when we add another condition, we use else if. So else if, in the bracket, number is lower than 0, so smaller than 0, in parentheses, cout the number is negative. And another else that we have is that if the number is neither than but greater than 0 nor smaller than 0, we have the else, the final else that says that, okay, the number is 0. So generally it's like if the number is greater than 0, it prints it's positive. If the number is lower than 0, it prints negative. And if neither of the conditions are met, it prints whatever that we want. We can say the number is 0, or we can say neither of the conditions met. So whatever. Else, it says that the above mentioned condition did not meet. So this is the else if. So let's run and try with a few more examples to see what happens. So no error, it's compiling now. Okay, enter an integer. I would say 10. So it prints the number is positive because 10 is greater than 0. Let's try it once more. So I would say minus 12. So the number is negative, so it works correctly. So if I mention something like 0, like here, it says neither of the conditions are met. So here the simple version of the if conditions. What we need to be careful about is how these if